Hello kids, welcome in Kids Learning TV. In this video, we learn shapes name. First we learn colors name. Then we learn shapes name and color the shapes. What are these? These are our colors. Purple color, pink color, orange color, sky blue color. Now we draw shapes. Circle. This is circle. Square. The name of this shape is square. The name of this shape is square. Oval. This is oval. Kids, the name of this shape is oval. Triangle. This is triangle. The name of this shape is triangle. Rectangle. Rectangle. This is rectangle. The name of this shape is rectangle. Star. This is star. The name of this shape is star. Star. Now we color shapes. Circle. Circle pink color. Circle pink color. Square. Square sky blue color. Square sky blue color. Square sky blue color. Oval. Oval orange color. Oval orange color. Triangle. Triangle pink color. Triangle pink color. Rectangle. Rectangle sky blue color. Rectangle. Rectangle sky blue color. Rectangle. Star. Star orange color. Star orange color.